In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to bypass a broken volume button on a 6th generation iPod Nano. Now, as you can see, the volume button only goes down and it doesn't go up. This volume button is broken. So how do you set the volume? So I'm going to show you. All you need to do is go to Settings, Music, Volume Limit, and as you can see, I have the volume set to the max here, and you can adjust the volume to the desired level right here. And that is how you access and change the volume if the volume button is not working. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up the video, and thank you for tuning in.